Hey folks, Surveyor Chef here, Minne-Florida living, and today we're going to talk about venison. Some people like to hunt for this, which is nice. I like to hunt for this, right here, organic free-range venison. Nothing better in the world, protein of the gods. So we're going to sous vide this baby for about an hour and a half. Then we're going to sear it off with a little torchy torch. Pay homage to the beast. Stick with us. Alright, sous vide venison backstrap. First things first, we got a beautiful piece of backstrap here. I like to cut them in about 6-7 inch chunks. It works just perfect for grilling, or we're going to sous vide it today. But first, I'll take, I got 2 cloves of garlic that I got minced up here, and then half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Just put it right on top. And what am I going to do is I'm just going to use the back side of my knife to kind of work the salt and use the salt as an abrasive to kind of break up the garlic. Alright, now you can see the garlic is a kind of like a paste consistency, and that's exactly what I want. So I'm going to take my back strap here, grab my garlic, kind of just rub it on all over. And then I'll just take about a 1/4 teaspoon of cracked pepper here, go on top, rub it in, flip it over. Just like that, we'll put it in the vacuum bag and we'll get her dropped in the sous vide. Alright, here we go. This venison backstrap has been in the sous vide for about an hour and a half. Just cut this bag open. You can see some of the juices have started to render out of there. Just pull it out here, and we'll take a paper towel and dry it off real nice. Man, it feels so awesome. The texture is going to be amazing. Alright, and what we're going to do, put this off to the side. We'll take our venison backstrap, just put it right on top. I got a bed of mushroom and onions here, and I'll get I got some MAP gas here with a torch head. We'll get this fired up. See that flame there? It's mostly blue. That's exactly what we want. We want to be about 3-4 inches away, and just work it back and forth. I'm just looking to sear this so you can see the color. We'll steer it to our desired color, and we'll give it a flip. Alright, that's it. We'll just get it on the cutting board here, and I'll show you how to slice her up. Alright, here's our venison backstrap that we sous vide for an hour and a half, and we just seared with the torch with the MAP gas, and we'll cut into her here. I'll show you what we got. Look at that. Perfectly medium rare. Holy balls. Look at that. If that doesn't make you want to do this, I don't know what will. Look at that right there. Oh, sweet Jesus. Man, all that's left to do is taste it. So here we go. We got our venison backstrap right here. Look at that. The juice in there is amazing. You couldn't cook it perfectly any better. So we'll give it a little taste. Tender, juicy. Got a little bit of that garlic, salt and pepper. This is why I hunt. This is why we do Minne-Florida living. This is what it's all about right here. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Give us a like and a subscribe. We appreciate all the views. Thanks for watching. Surveyor Chef here, Minne-Florida living, and today I want to talk about the Minnesota Hunting Club. It's a great hunting community and an awesome place for hunters like me and you to network and see what other people are doing. Also, it's a great place to give back to the sports that have been so awesome to us and to instill this hunting culture that we all know and love so much for generations to come. So check out the Minnesota Hunting Club Facebook page and website. Thanks for watching.